The necessary tools for the process are shown: magic, natural stains and glaze liquid, and a brush. Using the brush, wet the entire element with natural stains and glaze liquid. Using compressed air, blow the restoration until the excess liquid is removed, leaving the element damp but not wet. With a spatula, scoop out a small amount of magic from the jar. If the magic paste is dry, use natural stains and glaze liquid to create a thick, creamy consistency that is easy to spread. Each dental technician is free to create the degree of consistency, more or less soft, that they find most comfortable to work with. Using the brush, spread a thin layer of magic over the entire element as if applying an opaque wash, then proceed with firing.